Hello, beautiful soul. I've been on the spiritual journey for the last 6 years, and I've helped over 15,000 people in more than 50 different countries, which is still really, really wild to me. And here's the most important thing that you should know. If you're trying to live an amazing, happy life in alignment with your higher self and attracting in great things daily, transforming your life on your spiritual journey is so easy when you know how to direct your energy. I will walk us through this together. Where energy goes, energy grows, okay? The problem is most people have amazing desires to live an absolutely wonderful, phenomenal life, but they still keep focusing their attention, AKA their energy, on these three things. Number one, on their problems. Number two, the past. And number three, just distractions like gossip and reality TV and Netflix, social media, news, just like nonsense. So if where your energy goes determines what grows in your life, if you're focusing on those three things, then that is why you keep attracting the exact same nonsense that you always have. And then you keep living a crappy life because you're sending your energy to exactly what you don't want in your life. Even if you get up in the morning and you meditate, maybe you say an affirmation, for abundance or for your dream life or whatever, or maybe you even read a future script or something like that for your dream life. If throughout your day you're focusing on those three things, then your way of being is the opposite of what you would like in your life. Until you learn how to master your energy, you will never live your dream life because your energy determines what you attract in life, not your desires. I started my own spiritual journey being bedridden with chronic illness, with severe anxiety and depression, living at my mom's house at 31 years old, single and broke as a joke. And within 18 months, I was living in a condo on the beach with my new boyfriend and had made over $100,000. The fact that that happened is still shocking to me. My transformation was fast and wild, but that's because I was so meticulous with where I directed my energy. And I backed it up with my new way of being. I couldn't be that wounded version of myself and then have that amazing life. I had to completely disconnect from that reality of being that wounded person to then live an abundant life. It doesn't matter so much what you do. God, source, creator, doesn't care what you do in life. It matters who you're being when you do it. Because two people can do the exact same thing, but they both get completely different results. Why? Because what they're doing doesn't matter. It's who they're being while they do that thing that matters. If one is backed by fear, that is going to get a completely different outcome than one being backed by love, which is the truth of the soul. When you shift your way of being and you shift the direction of your energy, that's when your life shifts. It all shifts in here, and then the external reality shifts. Trying to shift your external reality is not going to get anything done. It has to all happen internally because as within, so without. So if you're like I was and you are ready for the biggest life-altering transformation in your life, regardless of what you've been through in the past, and you're ready to just let go of that old narrative, there's two ways that I can support you at this point in time that will be the best and the easiest. Number one, I have a 30-day self-love challenge that is starting in the next couple of days. You can jump in there. It's free to join. I'm going to help you spark that inner transformation. Number two, I'm hosting a live masterclass called The Magical Powers Within You, a masterclass on how to create your dream life. So both of those are available in the description below. If that's something that you're interested in, check it out. If you'd like to learn more from me, I would love and appreciate it if you would just like the video, subscribe to the channel, write a comment giving some love and appreciation because I just love reading it and connecting with other people. Or if you'd like some more consistent support, I actually do have an online membership full of amazing, amazing spiritual women who are walking the walk, who are transforming their lives, who are living this truth. And I actually give daily live coaching and wisdom and guidance in there and support for everyone who's a part of it. So you can check out all of the details of that below. Otherwise, until then, I'm sending you all of my love, beautiful, beautiful soul, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!